double-sided.
Thanks.
Thousand years later.
Hopefully they'd stay over there. And he's right behind me. What do you, is it about my tags?
Bitch, turn around, shut up.
Okay. I knew I was gonna get pulled over.
Wow.
Okay. Make sure. I hope that doesn't happen. I paid him a...
Don't make me tase you, motherfucker.
Okay. Both of these right here. Lost the driver's license and the tags didn't come in the mail, so this is my temporary registration. And then I have insurance on my phone if you'd like me to pull it up. Photo ID? No, my school ID might be... No, I don't. My school ID's in my backpack. I just left school to get lunch, so...
How old are you?
27.
Just a way to ride.
Yeah, I was enjoying all 10 seconds of my ride till you came and cut it short. Man, I ain't got time for your crying, bitch. Oh, man.
Alright, sir. Yeah, I guess you're good, but I don't know why you haven't got the sticker, so.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. They should have shown up about a month ago, and I checked because my mailing address is in Fresno, or in Visalia here, and so I called and they said it had showed up, so. Okay.
Don't ever let me catch you again, bitch.
Wow.
Hell yeah.